Hi, I'm Katia, the co-founder and CEO of Birchbox, and I'm so excited to talk to you about our Future Starts Now. Inspired by real stories and passions we've heard the past several years, Future Starts Now is all about letting you, the customer, tell us the things that you want to pursue, your passions. Doesn't have to be starting a company, it can be improving yourself, taking a class, and we will fund doing that. We quietly opened up applications last year, and we're so astounded to see 3,500 people write in, tell us their stories, tell us their passions. I'm gonna tell you about a handful of those stories and talk about 2019, where we're keeping this going. There's Amanda. She's a single mom who fought to get her family off the streets. She became an EMT, and she wrote to the Future Starts Now Fund because she wants to become the only female firefighter in her county, and we're helping her go to school for that. Beau is a biochemist who suffered a chemical spill injury herself and then started the first ever clothing line for female scientists called Suey. Latressa started Move and Groove Yoga in Harlem, New York, where she's combining vinyasa flow with live jazz music. It's a gift she's giving back to her busy community so they have a place to come in, replenish, and restore. There's Vicki, who suffered the horrible loss of losing her teenage daughter in a car accident. Her and her husband decided to come together and start the Guard Your Life Challenge to help train other teens how to drive more safely. This year, we'll award 5 people with $5,000 each to pursue their dreams. At Birchbox, we believe that your dream is one worth going for, and we're committed to being here with you so you can make your future start now.